Basic principle of ultrasound imaging. How does sound make an image? Diagnostic ultrasound uses a high frequency sound beam to generate an image of internal structure of the body along the trajectory of the beam. The beam is created by passing an electric charge through a crystal located in the transducer, causing the crystal to change shape and produce a high frequency sound wave ultrasound. The ultrasound beams focused by the transducer can penetrate most tissue, example, fluid, soft tissue, organs, relatively easily, but it is completely reflected off the surface of other structure containing air, example, lungs, bowel, and is completely absorbed by structures such as bone, gallstone, or kidney stone, thereby obscuring any structure deep to them. The transducer also act as a receiver and convert the reflected sound into an image depending on the time of the returning echo and echo intensity. These parameters are translated as depth and image brightness respectively. Ultrasound images are obtained by using a pulse echo technique with the transducer serving as both a sound producer and sound receiver. A brief microseconds pulse of ultrasound energy is directed into the patient. The transducer then becomes a receiver detecting ultrasound beams echo reflected back to the transducer from tissue in the patients. The round trip time of flight measured from when the sound beams was produced to when the echo was received determine the depth of the structure. The intensity of the echo determines the brightness of the structure. The ultrasound computer assumes that the speed of sound in tissue is a constant 1540 meters per second.